Thank you, Chris. Tonight, state-backed Citizens Property Insurance Corporation is asking for a rate hike right away as Florida's insurer of last resort continues to pick up tens of thousands of new customers while private insurers fold or flee Florida. Many Citizens policyholders could see a double-digit increase on their property insurance bill if it gets approved by state regulators. Aria Height looks tonight at how soon, very soon, you could be paying even more.
They could be paying a lot more, and one local expert tells me he does not think it's going to stop there. More than 1.3 million Floridians insure their homes with Citizens Property Insurance, and nearly all of them are expected to see at least a 10% increase in their cost. It's just the latest in what has become an expanding insurance price problem in Florida.
We've never seen anything like this.
Gregory Buck owns National Risk Experts, an independent insurance agency in Palm Beach Gardens. He's been in business for more than 2 decades and says home insurance prices are soaring now more than ever, creating what he calls a doom and gloom scenario.
We are seeing people who are trying to decide, can I stay in Palm Beach County any longer? Can I stay in Florida any longer? And the answer is sometimes no.
And Buck says he believes it's only going to get worse. Citizens is operated by the state, which has been trying to push more people toward private carriers. But Buck says you can expect those costs to balloon also.
If Citizens is going up 14%, that's going to be the minimum that we're going to see on these increases. I think we may even see more.
So what can you do? Buck says he advises his clients to make your home as attractive as possible to the insurance companies. The money you shell out for improvements could save you in insurance costs.
You can sometimes upgrade for $1,000 or so, and that will help you reduce your costs on the insurance and how it's rated.
A Citizen spokesperson sent me a statement saying these rate increases were necessary to strengthen the property insurance market in Florida. That statement goes on to say, quote, the increase will help return Citizens to its intended role and reduce the risk of assessments on Florida insurance consumers, most of whom are not Citizens policyholders and are already paying higher rates. If the higher rates with Citizens are approved, they will go into effect later this year. Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.